Hello, welcome to my Son de From. So today I'm going to teach you how to decorate another type of cake. For ingredients is these guava preserves. I have whipped buttercream frosting. I have anise seed. And I have a panettone, a pistachio panettone. This is really cute. And so I have this little bowl. I have a little bit of water in here. And I'm gonna put this anise in here and microwave it for about a few seconds. Just like that. I'm just gonna warm it up. And then we can use the tea. This panettone, I've been wanting to open it and see what it looked like, and I was hoping to get the subscribers that I wanted, but it didn't happen, and that's fine. You know, life never ceases to amaze. There's always, you know, a story behind how you got somewhere, and I think my story might be a few more steps than the average man. Nevertheless, I'm not going nowhere, and you know, every day is a party in Studio C. And like I said, you know, the more people that join, the better the channel. So I'd like it if you did and decide to stick around. So here's the panettone. This wrapper over there. It has another wrapper in it. And this is a pistachio panettone. So as you can see, this panettone has another wrapper in it. So we'll just get rid of that. This smells so good. Woo! Kind of messy. So here it is. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And I believe that is this is a dark chocolate icing on the top. What I will do is cut it in half. And I'll continue cutting it in half until it's finally completely cut in half, because this is a little bit tougher than most cakes. So I finally got them separated. So now we're gonna take this whipped icing and put a layer of that on the top. Here. Just like that. We're just trying to be creative, what we have. See what we have in the pantry, you know, we need to use. And a lot of times, you know, there's different ways that we can use them. And I think a lot of people miss, you know, well, they kind of miss the point that, you know, things that we buy are to give us nutrition and to make us feel good. And I think these recipes kind of would help stretch your pantry, would help you learn, you know, how to pull together something really quick, and not be so time consuming, but also to help you just help you, you know, budget your meal plans, because even food with shelf life is not cheap. You know, people are starting to talk about that now. So now that that's down, you just put some of this guava paste on top of that and spread it. So then you can just flip it on here and do the same here. So this side, I'm just gonna do the guava because I just wanted fruit mostly in the middle. So I'm gonna just spread as much guava as I can. That looks really good. And then this tea, I'm actually gonna get this tea, and some crumbs fell in there when I was opening the cake, but that's okay. And I'm gonna pour the tea right in and give it a mix. Just like that. Now it has like the consistency of like pudding, and just keep stirring it. And now we'll put the cake back how it was. Just flip it back over. Not rocket science. And give this really thorough mix. Now if you don't want to ruin the top, you don't have to do the top. You can probably get away with doing the sides on these that already have something on the top, but I kind of primarily want the top done. if you understand what I'm getting at. Like, I just want the layer of frosting, so I will put that on the top. And then I'll put some on the sides. Try to get all the way to the bottom. And I'll put some on the top. At this point, you should probably refrigerate it so that way it sets. And it'll be nice and ready for when you cut into it. I think I'm going to taste it at this point though, to be quite honest. So let me smooth this out. Just like that. And you want it to look like this. See that? So I'm just gonna dig right into it, like I said. So that's what I have. So here's the cake, and I just want to try it. And I think I'm gonna get like a piece from the side, dip it in. That is super delicious. This is super good. All those layers are totally worth the work. So I hope you try this recipe, and I'll see you again on the next video. My son from. Bye-bye.